Tired of that dry, tight feeling after you wash your hands or face? The secret to healthy, glowing skin isn't some expensive lotion, it's what you're washing with. While commercial soaps are packed with harsh chemicals that strip your skin, a simple switch to a natural soap base can change everything. What is a soap base? So, what exactly is a soap base? Think of it as a pre-made, all-natural blank canvas for soap. It's already gone through the complex chemical process that turns oils into soap, so you can skip all the difficult parts and focus on the fun stuff. It's a safe, easy way to create your own custom soaps right at home. Common natural ingredients. Natural soap bases are made with a handful of powerful ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and glycerin. Unlike commercial soaps that often strip your skin's natural oils, these ingredients cleanse and moisturize at the same time, leaving your skin feeling softer and healthier after every single wash. Natural versus commercial soap. The big difference is transparency. Regular commercial soaps are often loaded with synthetic detergents and artificial fragrances that can cause irritation. A natural soap base, on the other hand, is a clean slate. You know exactly what's in it, and you have complete control to add your own essential oils, colors, or natural botanicals. Gentle cleansing, deep hydration, and ideal for sensitive skin. But the benefits go way beyond just knowing your ingredients. Natural soap bases can visibly improve your skin. They offer gentle cleansing without harsh sulfates, preserving your skin's natural moisture barrier. They provide deep hydration because they are rich in glycerin, a powerful moisturizer that's often removed from commercial products. This makes them ideal for sensitive skin, and certain types like goat milk or oatmeal can even soothe conditions like eczema. And there's a natural soap base for every skin type. Glycerin bases are great for all skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Shea butter is perfect if your skin is dry or mature. Goat milk is gentle and exfoliating, making it a go-to for sensitive skin. Make your own at home. Ready to try it yourself? Making soap with a pre-made base is incredibly easy. Just follow these 3 simple steps using the melt and pour method. First, slice your soap base and gently melt it down. Second, customize it. Add your favorite essential oils, colors, or exfoliants. Finally, pour the mix into your molds and let it set. In just a few hours, you'll have your very own natural soap ready to use. So, ditch the harsh chemicals and unlock a new level of skin health. By switching to a natural soap base, you're choosing a gentler, more hydrating path to radiant, glowing skin. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural skincare and DIY beauty. Your skin will thank you.